Losing again. How the fuck can I get a win? Sinning again. Oh my God, you just lied again. How could I win? Yeah, you wanna without me. Now I'm so lonely. Yeah, losing again. How the fuck can I get a win? Sinning again. Oh my God, you just lied again. How could you win? Yeah, you wanna without me. Now I'm so lonely. Oh yeah. Damn.
You too, what do they do? It's your boy LowkeyyNoel in the cut. You dig what I'm saying? I'm coming back with another video. And today, we're gonna hit up the good old monkey app. And today we're going to be asking people what race would they not date. This might be a quick video, but I don't know. We're gonna have to bring some entertainment. But if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna run the videos. Let's get it. I should just accept everyone for this one. Hey, yo, bro, Hey, what's up? Hey, I got a question for you real quick.
What up?
Like, what race would you not date?
Not to be offensive, but I kind of don't like black girls.
Wow. Damn. That's crazy. What if we have more time? Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you? At time.
Alright. Hey, but could I ask you a question real quick?
Yeah.
So, like, what's one race that you would not date?
Huh?
What is one race that you would not date?
Black, like, blame white person for being black person.
So white people who act black?
I mean, like a black person acting like a black person.
Oh, okay, I hear you. Interesting.
Yeah.
Alright. I got 1%. I got 2 answers. Hey, yo, bro, what's one date that you would not date? I mean, what's one race that you would not date?
Chinese, bro.
Chinese? Hey, but like, why though?
Chinese, then you gotta hit the door.
Get out!
You gotta hit the door. I swear to God.
Shit.
Then you gotta go.
Damn, why you say that though?
If you not light skinned or black or Mexican, you gotta hit the door.
I feel you, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, frame me though. You can stay cool.
Yeah, I got you.
Look, Chinese people, I ain't gonna know what they talking, but same thing, Mexican, I ain't gonna know what they saying either. They gonna be saying some like, talking English first. Don't come me to that Mexican stuff. Like, I can't just date you.
Damn.
If you don't speak my language, you gotta hit the door for you to talk.
Hey, bro, I messed with you, bro. That shit funny. That shit crazy.
Shit crazy. I can never be on no moves without this mug though.
What? No, like dead ass though. That shit crazy.
I can't be on no moves no more. My dad trying to keep me in the house doing my schoolwork. Not funny. He don't got no Lakers cup.
Hey yo, but I'ma holler at you though, cause like my phone about to die.
Alright, bro.
Alright, bro. That shit took longer than expected. Might as well.
Back at it again, how the fuck can I get a win? Must've been someone in the mix. Maybe they was your friends. I thought I knew you know. I don't know why you lied to me. You should've said that you don't love me. This nigga just wanna fuck, he a bad guy tryna add it up. I guess I didn't do my part, should've seen this from the start. Now I'm spitting fucking bars. I think it's all my fault. I think it's all my fault. I think it's all